Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Mark and Mia.
Hi, friends. We're so happy to see you today.
I'm Mark.
And I'm Mia. Today, we have a special lesson for beginners.
We're going to learn how to talk about your mood in English.
Yes! Are you happy? Sad? Tired? We'll teach you simple words.
This is an A1 level lesson, perfect for new learners.
By the end, you'll know how to say how you feel every day.
Before we start, please like this video.
And subscribe for more easy English lessons.
Okay, let's learn about moods.
Are you ready? Let's go!
So, Mark, how do you feel today?
I feel happy. It's a beautiful day. How about you, Mia?
I feel good. I'm excited to teach this lesson. Friends, let's start with the basic question. How do you feel?
This is a simple, important question. People ask this every day.
How do you feel means, what is your mood right now?
Let's say it together. How do you feel?
Perfect. Now let's learn the most common answer, I feel happy.
Happy is a wonderful feeling. You smile, you feel good inside.
When do you feel happy? Maybe on your birthday or with friends.
Yes, I feel happy when I'm with my family.
Or I feel happy on the weekend.
Let's practice. Say, I feel happy.
Great. Now say, I feel happy today.
Excellent. You can also just say, I'm happy.
Both are correct. I feel happy or I'm happy. Same meaning.
Now, let's learn the opposite. What about sad?
Sad means not happy. You feel down. Maybe you want to cry.
Everyone feels sad sometimes. It's normal and okay.
You might feel sad when you miss someone or when something bad happens.
I feel sad today. Or just, I'm sad.
Let's practice I feel sad.
Now say, I'm sad today.
Good. Remember, it's okay to feel sad. You can talk about it.
Yes. Now let's learn another important word, tired.
Tired means you need rest. You need sleep.
Maybe you worked all day, or you didn't sleep well last night.
I feel tired or I'm tired. Very common phrase.
I'm tired after work, or I feel tired in the evening.
Let's say, I feel tired.
Now say, I'm tired today.
Perfect. Now let's learn excited.
Excited means very happy about something coming soon.
Maybe you have a trip tomorrow, or it's your birthday next week.
You have a lot of energy and happiness. That's excited.
I'm excited about my vacation, or I feel excited.
Let's practice. Say, I'm excited.
Now say, I'm excited about tomorrow.
Wonderful. Now, what about angry?
Angry means you're mad. Something upset you.
Maybe someone was rude, or something didn't go well.
I'm angry, or I feel angry.
You have strong, negative feelings. But try to stay calm and talk about your feelings.
Let's say, I feel angry.
Good. Now, let's learn nervous.
Nervous means you feel worried or scared about something.
Maybe you have a test, or you're meeting someone new.
Your heart beats fast, you feel a little scared. That's nervous.
I'm nervous about my exam, or I feel nervous.
Let's practice. I feel nervous.
Now say, I'm nervous about my presentation.
Great. Now let's learn bored.
Bored means you have nothing interesting to do.
Time goes slowly, you're not having fun, you feel bored.
I'm bored at home, or I feel bored.
Let's say, I feel bored.
Perfect. Now, what about sick?
Sick means you don't feel well. Your body feels bad.
Maybe you have a cold or your stomach hurts.
I feel sick today. Or, I'm sick. I need to rest.
If you're sick, stay home and take care of yourself.
Let's practice, I feel sick.
Now say, I'm sick today.
Good. Now let's learn a happy word, good.
Good is simple and positive. Everything is okay.
Not super happy, not sad, just good, normal, and fine.
I feel good today. Or, I'm good, thank you.
This is what most people say when someone asks, "How are you?"
Let's say, I feel good.
Now say, "I'm good, thanks."
Perfect. Now, let's practice a conversation about moods.
Ready? Listen carefully.
Good morning, Mark. How do you feel today?
Good morning, Mia. I feel happy. I slept well last night. What about you, Mia?
I'm a little tired. I went to bed late, but I'm excited about today.
Why are you excited?
We have this English lesson. I love teaching.
Me too. Teaching makes me feel good.
That's wonderful. Hey, is everything okay with Tom? He looks sad.
Yes, he's sad because his cat is sick, but she'll be okay.
Oh no, I hope she feels better soon.
Did you understand that? Let's listen again.
How do you feel today?
I feel happy. I slept well. What about you?
I'm a little tired. I went to bed late, but I'm excited about today.
Why are you excited?
We have this English lesson. I love teaching.
Me too. Teaching makes me feel good.
Tom looks sad.
He's sad because his cat is sick.
See? Simple and natural.
Now let's learn how to make your mood words stronger.
Yes, you can add words to show how much you feel something.
You can say very happy. That means really happy.
Or so tired. That means extremely tired.
Or a little sad. That means not very sad, just a little.
Let's practice. Say, I'm very happy.
Now say, I'm so tired.
Now say, I'm a little nervous.
Excellent. These small words make a big difference.
Now, let's learn what to say when someone tells you their mood.
Yes, if someone says, I'm happy, you can say, that's great.
Or, I'm happy for you. Or, wonderful.
If someone says, I'm sad, you can say, I'm sorry.
Or, that's too bad. Or, are you okay?
If someone says, I'm tired, you can say, you should rest.
Or, get some sleep. These show you care.
Let's practice. I'll say a mood, you respond. I'm happy.
That's great. I'm happy for you.
Perfect. Now, I'm tired.
Oh no, you should rest.
Wonderful. These responses show you're a good friend.
Now, let's review all the mood words we learned.
Happy, you feel good and smile.
Sad, you feel down or want to cry.
Tired, you need sleep or rest.
So many useful words.
And remember, very, so, and a little make them stronger or weaker.
You can express exactly how you feel.
Okay, friends, time for our recap.
Today, we learned how to talk about your mood in English.
We learned 9 important mood words.
Happy, sad, tired, excited, angry, nervous, bored, sick, and good.
We learned the question, how do you feel?
And how to answer, I feel, or I'm.
We learned to make moods stronger, very, so, and a little.
And we learned caring responses like, that's great, and I'm sorry.
Now you can express your feelings every day.
Time for our community question.
Here it is. How do you feel right now? Tell us your mood.
Yes, use the words we learned. I feel happy because, or I'm tired because.
We want to know how you feel.
Bonus question. What makes you feel happy?
Is it music? Family? Good food? Share with us.
Every comment is practice. Write in English.
We read every comment and we care about you.
We're so proud of you for learning today.
These words are so useful in real life.
Practice saying your mood out loud every day.
Today, I feel happy. Or, right now, I'm tired.
This helps you remember the words.
Before we go, please like and subscribe.
Hit the bell so you don't miss new lessons.
We're here every week with simple, helpful English.
Thank you for being here. You're amazing.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and take care of your feelings.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Feel good.
Bye.